In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Docs effectively. Whether you're new to ClickUp or looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will walk you through creating, structuring, and collaborating on documents to streamline your workflow. To start off, let's talk about creating a new doc in ClickUp. If you're on the sidebar, simply navigate to the Docs hub and click on Add. Alternatively, say you're working within a specific space, folder, or list. You can add a doc as a view through the plus view menu. There's also a quick access method using the / command. Just type #doc anywhere within ClickUp to create a new doc without breaking your flow. Once you've got your doc open, structuring it is key to staying organized. You can add both pages and subpages to give your doc a clear hierarchy. Icons and cover images are excellent for visual distinction and can help quickly convey what each section is about. Plus, if you need to rearrange your pages, just drag and drop them. It's simple and keeps everything in order. And, for those longer docs, make use of the Pages sidebar search to quickly find the content you need without scrolling through everything. Now let's move on to creating content and formatting your document. You have the freedom to write whatever you need, but ClickUp Docs also offers templates. Use /commands like template or the wand icon to apply standardized layouts that save time and maintain consistency. To make your doc even more dynamic, insert rich blocks using /commands. These could be anything from banners and tables to buttons, a table of contents, or even embedded tasks and views. Don't forget about formatting text. It's important for readability. Use headers and lists to break up text, and bring in media such as images, files, or videos either by dragging them in or pasting directly. In terms of collaboration, ClickUp Docs are great for working in real time with your team. You can share your docs in a way that suits your needs, with your workspace, with guests, or even publicly. Comments are a vital feature here. Tag teammates, add remarks, assign action items, and resolve feedback right in the document. It keeps communication focused and connected directly to the content. And for those times when text naturally transitions into tasks, you can convert pieces of your doc into tasks or embed list views and task widgets directly into your document, keeping everything seamlessly linked. And speaking of links, use ClickUp's relationships and references to connect your docs and tasks. This enhances your workflow, and the ability for automatic backlinks ensures you don't lose track of interconnected information. And there you have it, a comprehensive introduction to using ClickUp Docs. By integrating these strategies, you can enhance productivity and collaboration within your team. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.